Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can set Google Sheets file as view only on Android. So here I'm using an Android phone and I've already opened the Google Sheets apps on my phone. And here, let's say I want to make this files right here, this spreadsheets as Google as view only. Uh, so that when I share it with my friends, they cannot edit the file, but they can only view it. So here, what you need to do, you don't need to open the file. You can just click on the three dots icon under the file itself until this menu show up, and here you need to click on the manage access options. And now if you want to add a friend into this file, so just click on the plus icon at the top and find their username, their emails. I'm going to just use this. Okay, so to make it as view only, you can need to change the role from editor into only a viewer. So here you can choose to notify them or not, and after that you can click on send at the top. So when they see the file, they will see it as a view only file. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.